Hello everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're out on the deck actually of the 8119, we're out on the deck on the 5th floor. We just saw the gym, that gym is right there. And now I wanted to show off this fabulous outside deck. There's a lot going on here. First of all, we go down here to this section. There was some outdoor kind of lounge areas that were up there, so it's super nice. But then over here, look at this. So we've got a bocce ball set up over here. Bocce ball set up, super nice. Sure love seeing this. This is so pretty. And then you've got some gorgeous chairs just to overlook the city. This is again on the 5th floor, but just some chairs and things like that. Over here we've got some a nice putting green. The putting green is really pretty. And then over here we have pickleball. So pickleball is over here. They've even have some balls and some putting clubs, putting greens for you, putting clubs. And then over here is that pickleball, and the pickleball is over here. Pickleball is super pretty. It's the own court, so you can come and use this anytime. This is private to the building, so it's all here ready to go. How delightful is this? This is a beautiful deck. I haven't seen a sports deck that's like this. Perhaps, in a long time, and definitely not elevated on the 5th floor. So it's a beautiful feature of being here at the 8119. If you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. And if you'd like to set up a tour at any time, I suggest either a FaceTime tour. That's easy to do. We can set that up. That's free. Or we could do a live in-person tour. My number is below. Text me right away.